Hello, my name is Kaumudi and I'm from the product marketing team here at Workato. We're excited to introduce the newly designed recipe editor. It's designed for speed, simplifies the user experience to reduce effort, and redefines collaboration. In this demo, I'll show you how to test your recipes. When we're building recipes, we may have multiple test cases. Here, our test case is that we want to update the organization in Zendesk when the ID is present. As you make more iterations and changes, your test case remains the same and you can retest easily, making testing more efficient and robust. Once you made changes to your recipe and are ready to test, you can easily switch over to the Test Jobs tab. I'll click on the Test button in the Quick Access toolbar in the top right corner. We can see here that we're looking for trigger events to test this recipe. These new test behaviors for polling and real-time triggers eliminate the guesswork of what's going on behind the scenes. It looks like we found a trigger event and the job was successful. If I click on the drop-down in the top left, I can view recent test jobs and click into the full history of all test jobs. This is a quick and easy way to access test results, which are conveniently separated from production job data. You can customize a job table by clicking into the overflow menu in the top right and select fields to display that are most relevant to you and your team. For ticket management, this may be ticket ID and case summary. For invoice processing, this could be invoice ID and amount. Easily test different versions or parts of your recipe by clicking on the Repeat Jobs button in the top right corner. Repeat jobs allow you to test faster by using the same trigger event data. You can view repeat job history by clicking on the drop-down in the top left corner. With these new updates, you can easily switch between build and test mode to test the logic of your recipe early and often as you're working on building it out. Happy automating!